So very good evening to one and all gathered here. Today we are going to see module number 5, chapter number 2. So what are the various measurement techniques applied to improve the employee attitude in industry? Let us see the information related to the particular topic. First and foremost thing, to measure the attitude in industry, employee job attitude in industry, the organization must utilize different methods, say Likert scale, employee survey method, and behavioral observation methods. These are the common methods that are used to measure the employee attitude in industry. These techniques helps to measure the employee attitude, and also it will identify the areas for further possible improvement and implementing various strategy to create a positive work environment. Let us see all the three methods one by one. So Likert scales. So what is meant by Likert scale? It is one of the basic common tool used for measuring the job attitude of employee by presenting various statements and asking the respondents to rate their level of agreement or disagreement according to the questions raised by the observer. And how it works. Let us see for an example. An employee might be asked to rate their agreement with statements like I feel valued at work or I am satisfied with my job. We have to rate the statement with a scale of strongly disagree or agree. A statement will be given and the following options for the given statement that will be listed out. An employee have to select any one matching option for the given statement. So this will measure the feel or attitude of the employee towards the job. See, what are the benefits present in this method? It is an easy method. We can able to administer, we can analyze and provide a quantitative measure of attitude. So let us take an example. Using this method, we can measure the attitude towards a new software implementation in a company by asking a set of employees to rate their agreement with statements about the software usefulness, flexibility of use, and overall impact on their work. So if you want to implement any new system of work procedure, we can ask the employee the opinion about the attitude about the new change in the work procedure so that we can able to know the psychology of different individual opinion. So next one is employee survey method. Using employee survey method, we can able to collect more number of data through feedback on various aspects of the workplace, including the job attitude towards management, work environment, and job satisfaction. How employee survey works. The survey can be designed to measure the specific attitude or we can able to assess the general workplace moral. So they can be administered anonymously or with identifiable response depending on the survey's purpose. What are the advantage of doing an employee survey? It provides a valuable opportunity for every employee to voice out their opinion and concern that can be used for better improvement of the workplace productivity. Say for an example, a survey data used to measure the attitude towards company communication by asking employees to rate the clarity, frequency, and accessibility of information provided by the management. The next method is behavioral observation. Observing the employee basic behavior in the workplace, we can provide the various insights into their attitude, especially when they are combined with other measurement technique. Say when the employee interact with the colleagues, respond to feedback or engage in their work, that can reveal the pattern in their attitude. So what are the benefits of behavioral observation? So we can complement self-reported measure, providing a more comprehensive understanding of employee attitude. Say, for example, observing how employees respond to a new organization policy or initiative. So this will provide a better insight into their attitude towards the policy, even if they don't explicitly express their attitude in a survey. So these are the common methods to measure the employee attitude in an industry. What, how to improve the job attitude? What are the various possible way to improve the job attitude of an employee? Creating a positive work culture through open mode of communication, fair recognition, and fair treatment that significantly improve the employee attitude. Offer training, better mentorship, and advanced opportunity can help the employee to feel more valued and motivated. Addressing the feedback and concerns, taking the employee feedback more seriously, implementing the changes in the existing work, and working for the employee well-being, improving the morality of the employee, encouraging teamwork and collaboration, building a strong sense of community, and creating a relationship among employees that creates a work satisfaction and improve the overall attitude. Measuring and tracking progress, regularly assessing attitude and analyzing the data from group of survey and other measurement techniques. Based on that, we can track the progress in improving the workplace and address the areas where the attitude has to be improved from the employer side. So with this few basic information, I thank you one and all. We will see the next module number 6. Thank you once again.